Hey guys, this is Andy again, back with another video. But today we're going to do an unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, I do gameplay tutorials and also product reviews. If you like what you see, comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'll end up having links in the description in case you're curious about the items that I have in the video. Thanks. Hey guys, so today in this video we're going to end up unboxing the Western Digital Easy Store 12TB external hard drive. Basically it connects to PC and Mac. I'm not going to go into the specifications off of this hard drive because I do know that there's a bunch of videos on YouTube that go into more detail. I am just going to end up showing you the items that come within this box. That way you understand what you're going to end up getting when you make this purchase. So I've already cut the sticker that's on the box so I can make it easier so I could open. And this is the hard drive. And like before, I'm gonna bring out my little amiibo Lucario, and that way you get a kind of like a frame of reference of how big and wide it is. See, it's pretty small, pretty discreet and everything for the size it is. And the rest of the items that are within the box, you end up getting a quick start guide. Basically it tells you how to connect and other useful information that comes with your hard drive. It also comes with an AC adapter. Basically you're supposed to end up connecting it to the wall, and this is the connection where you connect the AC adapter to. Then finally you get your USB cable. And so the USB cable is a 3.0. One side you end up connecting to your PC or Mac, and the other side you end up connecting to the hard drive. And the connection is right here, right behind. Okay. So with that ends this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if you like what you see. Also, hopefully you found this video useful so you can know what actually comes within the box before you actually make your purchase. Because that's the type of information I like to know. Bye.